Hey, what's going on, boys and girls? Mitchy boy here, and just wanted to do a video about printing on these transparencies using an Inkjet printer. You probably need to get one that says that it's suitable for Inkjet printers. The last transparency paper that I used, and I'm going to go check and see if I did it on the right side or not. But it just like smudged all over the transparency. But with this one's got like a matte finish on one side, so you have to print it on that side. But that's done with an inkjet printer. Turned out pretty sweet. I've noticed with like a laser printer, it doesn't, my laser printer anyway isn't as dark as an inkjet, so yeah, I'm probably going to use an inkjet for this. But yeah, just rub your hands across each side. One side's real glossy on this side, and this side's like a matte finish. So yeah, but that's it. Cheers for watching. Thought I'd share that with you. Subscribe if you want, and I'll see you guys later.